So what we know is that Christel is X years old, so let's put her age out here on the side. She is X. Wendy, on the other hand, is 5 times older than Christel. 5 lots of Christel's age, so we know that she is 5 X's. She's X plus X plus X plus X plus X. She's 5 times as old as Christel. Björn, though, is 8 years older than Christel, so he's Christel's age plus an extra 8 years. Whereas Nicholas is 4 years older than Christel, so he is Christel's age plus 4 years. And we know that the sum of their ages adds up to be 76. So if we were to put them here, so X, Christel, plus Wendy, plus Björn, plus Nicholas. All of these ages of all of these people add up to be 76. Now we have to think, how many lots of X's do we have? And we're just adding X's here. Imagine X's as being xylophones or apples. Well, if it was apples, we'd have 5 apples here, plus another apple, plus another apple, plus another apple. So we've got 5 X's, 5x plus an X is 6x, plus another X is 7x, plus one more X is 8x. So the first thing we do is only calculate X's. We ignore all the numbers and are just adding up the number of X's we have. And when we add up our X's, 5, 6, 7, 8, we get 8 X's. Now we look at how many numbers were left over. There's an 8 here and a 4 here, and they're both positive numbers in front of them. It's plus 8 and plus 4. 8 plus 4 is plus 12. So when we add everything on this, and now we've added everything, we've checked we haven't missed anything by underlining all the ones that we've added up. Check that there's nothing left there. So we now know that 8x plus 12 equals 76. We want our letters on one side and all the numbers on the other. And we're allowed to do whatever we want in maths as long as we do the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. So let's take away this 12 here. If I take away 12 there, I have to take away 12 there as well. And I'm allowed to do that. 12 minus 12, that gets rid of the plus 12 there. So I now know that 8 lots of X are the same as 76 minus 12, which is 64. So I know that 8 lots of X is 64, but I don't want to know what 8 lots of X are. I want to know what 1 lot of X is. I don't want 8 Christels, I want 1 Christel. So I divide both sides of my equation by 8. I'm allowed to do whatever I want as long as I do the same thing to both sides. 8 divided by 8 gives me what 1 lot of Christel is. Okay? So Christel is 64 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. That gives me just 1 lot of X here now. Is 64 divided by 8, which is 8 years old. So we now know that Christel is 8. If Christel is 8, then Wendy is 5 times as much. 5 lots of 8 are 40. Björn is 8 plus 8, which would be 16. Nicholas is 8 plus 4, which would be 12. And if I've done all of this right, my check should add up. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 4, 5, 6, 7. 76. Oh look, I get back to 76. So my check here is very important with algebra. It shows you whether you've done the right thing. And that's how we should approach that type of algebra question with different ages.